Welcome back. Let's talk chemical application, soft washing, chemical cleaning. If you haven't seen our XJet video, I'll put links below which will run you through downstreaming using an XJet to get your soaps and surfactants at height using a pressure cleaner or pressure washer. So do watch that video. It does go for quite a while, but it will explain everything you need to know about using the XJet. But today we have a different way of chemical application of getting your soaps and surfactants at height, and that's the Everflow pump. So I wanted to talk to you about this, and we'll carry out some and run some different experiments and show you some heights obtained running from this larger in the range, this Everflow 20 litres a minute at 60 psi. So in the manual, it'll talk about orientation, and orientation of the pump is in a horizontal position like this, and the main reason will be for the cartridge assembly. So in our previous videos, which I'll put links below as well, we talk about quick change cartridges. So anything to do with SH in relation to cleaning is, I'll call it a sacrificial item. So because the chemical is so devastating to any product that it does touch in relation to the aggressiveness and the corrosive properties of that particular chemical, it's often high maintenance. But this particular pump, the Everflow, they've come up with a fantastic scenario in regards to ongoing maintenance, and that's the quick change cartridges. And you can see information on that in our previous video when we do remove a cartridge and show you that it can be done on site. So the Everflow, quite a heavy item, and mounting it in a horizontal position like this, we do have a leak detection system under the bottom of the cartridge in relation to detection and premature failure of that cartridge assembly, which will disable the pump. So if we mount it in a vertical position, we'll get a reasonable amount of chemical discharge prior to notifying the operator that we have premature failure of that cartridge. So we're going to run through this particular system. We have a J-rod set up with a couple of different nozzles. We're going to suck straight out of a 15 litre drum. We're only shooting water today, but I just wanted to run you through the application process of this. So the XJet will shoot at different ratios and percentages, and in the previous video we talked about getting the correct scenario for you to reduce the overspray and get the chemical at height where needed to clean either if it's roofs or building exteriors. The Everflow is going to be different in relation to degrees of concentration in regards to a more severe or a higher concentration of product, your soaps and surfactants and SH, to be able to clean. So as a standalone unit, you would apply your chemical cocktail with your Everflow pump and then rinse it off. So that could be with a pressure cleaner alike. Pressure washer doesn't necessarily have to be at high pressure, using different lances or carbon fibre pressure cleaning poles, which you might have seen some of our previous videos, to be able to carry out that high rinse. So stay with us, we'll set the unit up and we'll follow through with a few demonstrations. So just to reiterate, the unit is fused. You'll need to take note of your current draw, your wiring size in relation to being a hefty little unit. That'll all be discussed and outlined within the particular manual that comes with your Everflow pump. And I just wanted to run you through the dispersal rate. So to get at height, we're running through 50 metres of 8mm internal diameter hose in relation to enabling you to run around a building or jump a roof. The dispersal rate, if we're shooting from the ground, the application will be through either quarter lances, or you can talk to us about pressure poles in relation to using carbon fibre pressure cleaning poles alike, or water fed poles to be able to get your chemical at height and reducing your overspray, which is the number one in regards to looking after yourself and not coming home like an over-chlorinated pool. So safety first. We're only spraying water, so if you are going to spray SH, make sure the wind and weather conditions are right and you have the corresponding PPE on in relation to covering up, protecting yourself from the chemical, and also eye protection. So to give you an understanding of how it works, so it is a pressure pump, pressure on demand, and you can see from a 50 metres of hose, internal 8mm diameter, we're able to saturate the area quite quickly with limited overspray. So as a dedicated soft wash application unit in relation to roof cleaning, or using those lances to allow you to spray this at height, you're going to have very minimal overspray. So you're not going to have to worry about if you're hemmed in with buildings or if the neighbour next door has clothes on the line. To reduce that overspray is going to reduce a lot of headaches for the operator. Hope this has been a reasonable overview of the Everflow. There are a few different models and you can see the pricing of this particular unit and ask how best to suit or set up for you in your application, whether exterior vertical walls or roof cleaning. Do come back to us. Prices can be seen at ionicsystems.com.au. Our main parent company is bluetongueindustries.com.au. Check out all the other videos on our YouTube channel, and you can find those at Blue Tongue Industries when you search on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.